In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Foundit. If you want to install the Foundit app on your Android phone, the safest and most recommended way to do it is through the official Google Play Store. That's important because job search apps usually store personal information like your resume and contact details, so it's always best to avoid unofficial download sources. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android devices, and using it helps make sure you're downloading the real version of the app rather than a modified or unsafe file from somewhere else. Once the Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search field, type Foundit Job Search. You can also simply type Foundit if you want to keep it short. After that, look through the search results carefully and select the app listed as Foundit Monster Job Search by Monster.com, our India. Private Limited. Taking a moment to confirm the app name and publisher is a good habit, especially when there are similar-looking apps in the results. After you've found the correct app, tap the Install button. The download will begin automatically, and depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this part, just wait for the installation to finish completely. If your device asks for any standard Play Store permissions or confirmation, simply follow the on-screen instructions. When the app is done downloading, you'll see the Open button appear. Tap Open to launch Foundit for the first time. From there, you can sign in if you already have an account or create a new account if you're using the app for the first time. Just follow the prompts on the screen to continue. One final safety reminder: only download Foundit from the Google Play Store. It's best to avoid APK files or third-party websites, even if they claim to offer the same app. Since job apps often involve sensitive personal information, using the official source is the best way to protect your data and make sure the app works properly. And that's it. That's how to download Foundit on Android quickly, safely, and correctly. And